It seems like every few years an artist comes along with a sound that's so different and fresh, everyone pays attention. And that sound changes the whole music scene. But here's the truth. These artists didn't just get lucky. They knew something that most artists don't. And in this video, I'm going to show you the strategy they use to stand out. It's simple, powerful, and it works. You'll learn why finding your sound matters more than anything else. And I'll walk you through a clear, easy way to do it. It's so simple, it might feel like cheating. But before we get into that, let's talk about one big mistake that stops most artists. Here's the mistake. 95% of artists fall into a trap. They make music that sounds like everyone else, and they don't even realize they're doing it. But if you're not careful, you could end up sounding just like the crowd too. The good news? I'll show you how to avoid that, so you can stand out. Picture this. Your music is so real, so honest, that people can't ignore it. They feel it. That's what I'm going to help you build today. So let me show you something. This is my favorite chocolate. Smarties. They're like big M&Ms. But I'm not here to talk about sweets. They're here to help me explain something. Imagine this. Each Smartie is a different style of music. That would be great, right? But the truth is, most artists copy each other. We learn by copying. We copy how people talk, how they sing, even the chords they use. So slowly, everyone's music starts to sound the same. And that's a problem. Because if your music sounds like everyone else's, how will people notice you? And if no one notices you, they can't become fans. It's really hard to get seen if you sound like a weaker version of someone else. If you're just another orange Smartie in a sea of orange Smarties, you'll get lost. But if you're the only blue one, everyone's going to notice. That's how human nature works. And don't think this doesn't apply to you. Even in niche genres like dream state hyperpop, most artists follow what's already trending. That's the trap. Just copying what's working now doesn't mean it will work for you. Your fans are smart. They want something only you can give them. So how do you give them that? Here's how. Let's go back to these Smarties. Now, imagine three artists. Person A, born in London in the 90s. Moved to Kosovo with Albanian parents as a kid. Came back to London alone at 15 to chase music. Person B, born in Barbados in the 80s. Parents split up when they were young. Later moved to the US to become an artist. Person C, born in the 2000s. One parent from Kenya, one from England. Grew up in a house full of music. None of these people chose where they were born or who their parents were or the music they grew up hearing. But all those things shaped them. And that's the key. Your past shapes your sound. So when you look at the music you love through the lens of who you are, you unlock something no one else has. That's how you stand out. Make music that's honest. Make music that you'll still love in 20 years. Now, here's my 5-step method to help you do it. Step 1. Make a playlist of every song you've ever loved. Songs that mattered to you. Your first favorite. Your parents' favorites. Songs that helped you through pain. Songs that made you want to start music. Step 2. Play the first 5 to 10 seconds of each one. If it doesn't spark a strong feeling or memory, delete it. Narrow it down until you have just 10 to 12 songs. Step 3. Create a document. For each song, write down why it matters to you. What emotion does it bring up? What memory? What part of the song touches you? Is it the voice, the lyrics, the build-up, the quiet to loud shift? Be as detailed as you can. Step 4. Come back to this playlist and document as you grow. Update it. Your taste might change, and that's okay. Let it grow with you. Step 5. Use this playlist when you're stuck, when you need inspiration, or when you're explaining your sound to others. These songs are your blueprint. They are your sound. They are the story of you. You didn't just make a playlist. You found the soul of your music. You now know what truly moves you. That's powerful. Because now, when you make music, you're not copying anyone. You're pulling from real life, from your life. So congratulations. You're ahead of most artists already. Your emotions and your truth are more powerful than any trend. Use this playlist and document like a roadmap. It'll help you stay on track and make music that only you can make. And if you've written songs and want help promoting them, send them to us, link in the description of this video.